colorful, cancer-fighting mixed salad. I was really busy today while preparing this, with lots of other stuff, of course. I forgot to shoot for you, but I didn't want to leave without taking this last shot. So what I use here with this salad: lettuce, chopped, 2 green pepper, chopped, 1 big red American pepper, chopped, parsley of course chopped, 1 white onion sliced, spring onion sliced, a little bit ginger, a few cloves of garlic smashed, carrot and radish grated as you see. And if you add a little bit turmeric too, then this salad perfect one for cancer fighting, Regular consuming turmeric help to fight with any kind of cancer, for a kind of prevention, of course. And add a little bit olive oil, lemon squeeze, a little bit salt, then your salad is ready. Perfect salad for all seasons, from winter to summer, tasteful and lots of vitamins, leaves, that means healthier digestive system. If you don't exercise or have an active lifestyle, at least try to eat healthier. And uncooked vegetables, raw food, it means any kind of salad, is a wonderful alternative for this. Bon appetit! Every week, new videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Why not? See you next video. Bye bye.